I should be proud that yes, I'm a pharmacist. Why I should be like that. So I will take this session in some lines in Marathi also, as we are presenting Maharashtra. समजा एखाद्या माणसाचा जन्म आणि मृत्यू, समजा एखाद्या माणसाचा जन्म आणि मृत्यू डॉक्टरांना माहित आहे असं गृहीत धरलं, तर त्या माणसाचा जन्म आणि मृत्यू ज्या औषधावर अवलंबून आहे, त्या औषधाचा जन्म आणि मृत्यू ज्या माणसाला माहित असतो, तो हा माझा फार्मसिस्ट. त्याला मी पहिलं अभिवादन करतो वर्ल्ड फार्मसिस्ट डेच्या निमित्त. अँड इट इज द ग्रेट पॉवर गिवन बिकॉज वी गिव्ह लाईफ टू द पेशंट. We doctors give life to the patient, but we give life to the medicament who determines life of that patient. So this is the very simple line, but it talks a lot because it is the total responsibility. So we are not only dispensers, we are not only retail pharmacists, but this line speaks many things, and that I have to go one by one. So this is the profession who know the biology and technology. Engineers know the technology, but here I'm very happy Ram Shatry sir also know biology also. But it is a blend of that pharmacy. We know the biology and technology, therefore we can design any good drug delivery system based on biological concepts and giving a the fortification or the attachment with the technology. We are best located in the society, better than the doctors, better than the nurse. So everybody can easily come and contact me or take that medicament. And last important point, I am a last professional to meet a patient before he consume the medicament. So if anything goes wrong, then I take the responsibility because I am the last person who is meeting with that patient कि भाई ये दवा आपको कैसी लेनी है, कहाँ रखनी है, कहाँ, ये सब मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. So this is the message. And I always give an example, simple examples. You know the is the antacid. It is usually consumed by any way. But suppose that is consumed by the patient having hypertension. What will happen? They may end there only. So in such a cases, though any common man asking my pharmacist asking, are you have a hypertension? So आपको hypertension है, BP का problem है, तो ये दवा नहीं लेनी चाहिए. So this is the simple example I give. And as sir told, so we teach doctors even for our drug delivery system and working of the drug, and then the doctors prescribe that medicament. So these are the powers of a pharmacist. Therefore I can say, yes, I'm a pharmacist. I'm proud of that. So just the society know the doctor. Therefore I say, so whether the doctor is the first or pharmacist is first. If we go in America, the pharmacist is considered as the topmost professional. So I'm not going in that area who is the first, but I'm going, it is the best fixed dose combination. That combination is the perfect. It is called as in medicines, it is called as a fixed dose combination, FDC. So it is the best FDC. Why? Because doctor know the disease, but I know the drug. I know the drug delivery system. Take a simple example of Astaline. So Astaline, doctor prescribed for asthma, but I have 9 dosage form for Astaline, starting from syrup, elixir, then the tablet, sustained tablet, nebulizer, meter dose inhaler, MDI. So such large variety of drug formulations prepared for a simple Astaline, and instead of 4 milligram tablet, even simple 10 microgram drug will be effective if I deliver in the form of pulmonary drug delivery system. So this is the strength of the pharmacist who know the drug. Doctor know the dose, but I know how to administer the dose. So take any example of sustained release tablet. Even I have an example during my journey that the sustained release tablet should not be break, because that sustained release tablet have the coat, and if we break, there is chance of toxicity. It is called as the dose jumping, because full drug may get released in the body. So doctor know the dose of a drug, but I know the way of dosing. I can say, don't break the tablet. If we break the tablet, then there is more chance of side effects. Doctor know the therapy, definitely, but I know the quality of medicament. I know what is the generic medicament, what is the branded medicament, what is the bioequivalence, what is bioavailability, what is the storage condition, what is the store in cool place, and what is the condition or climatic condition of Lonere, how humid it is, and how that moisture will damage my drug. So that I know the stability. Doctor know the few brands, but I know, because I am pharmacist, which are the cost-effective brands. So doctor know the how to prescribe the drug, but we are here to find out the ADR, side effects, in the written prescription. We are here to find out the drug interactions in the written prescription by a doctor. So I can say doctor and pharmacist the best blend, because doctor is a master of disease management and pharmacist is a doctor of drug management. Doctor is a master of disease management, but a pharmacist is a doctor of disease management, which will lead to the perfect healthcare and the well-being of a nation and the great human being. So this is the pharmacist who know each and everything from drug, starting from identifying the drug molecule, any chemical or phytoconstituent which is the drug molecule, till its research into the formulations, and not only formulations, it manufacturing, distribution, and lastly dispensing rightly to the patient, and monitoring whether the patients take this medicament rightly or not. So this is the broad range of pharmacists. It is not only single, and my total presentation of 1 hour will be which are the different areas where we can work very nicely. And regarding the foreign currency also, we are leading India, because we are the pharmacy field is the field which gains more foreign currency for India. So see the stock market also, IT company stock market is always fluctuating, but pharma stock market is always sustained release and control release, because we are serving the life saving and we are in that area. So the pharmacy education, as we know, we have the DPharm, we have the BPharm, and currently to upgrade the diploma holders also, our pharmacy council came with the BPharm practice course. We are running well in the Bharati Vidyapit. We have the MPharm in a different branches. These are the specialization. And as the Vice Chancellor sir covered many areas, and all these areas get covered in these different specializations. So last line of search was that clinical aspect and confirming the drug on the clinical background. For that nowadays we are having sir Pharm D. Pharm D, whose entry is after DPharm as well as after BPharm for 6 years, or after a BPharm it can be completed in 3 years, which is a clinical pharmacy course. We'll cover this in the next few slides. So we have the PhDs, and we are happy that the pharmacy is the field where the maximum students go for higher education in all developed countries, including America, UK, Australia, and we are doing the best. Our selection at an international or global level is very fantastic. It is due to the what input we are giving in India for this graduate pharmacists. So our area is not only technology. Though this college is under a BATU, we are not only the technology, it is a blend of a technology and practice. So therefore, we have to work with the doctors also. So therefore, this is the practice part. So Pharm D is our practice part, and BPharm and MPharm is the technology part, where we work in the R&D, we work in the industry, we work in the drugstore management. We also take part in the clinical round. Daily, our teachers in Bharati Vidyapit be a part of a doctor's team, and they are taking a round of all the patients, and where our pharmacists learn that clinical aspect of what doctor write and the clinical aspect of drug delivery. So this is the pharmacy practice. Then the import exports regulations, nutraceuticals, many things we have, including academic area where we are working nicely. So as we've seen, the pharmacy is divided in two parts: the pharmaceutical science and pharmaceutical technology, and another area is the pharmacy practice. Under science, we have the drug discovery, drug formulations, manufacturing, quality assurance, quality control with advanced instrumentation, what is said by sir. And we are also working on sir 3D printing and nanotechnology. If we see nowadays, almost 60% of the publications from India are on the nanotechnology only. And shortly, within next 2 years, we will find many publications and work on the 3D also. And many industries are working on the 3D and melt extrusion technology in India, and we are leading. How we leading? I will be presenting you very shortly. So in a pharmacy practice, we will be working in the clinical pharmacy, clinical trial, pharmacovigilance, drug safety, medical writing, medical insurance, hospital pharmacy. community pharmacy, drug regulation, particularly regulation for a clinical trial, that is Schedule Y, pharmacoeconomics. Definitely, India have to think now. Australia, America, Europe, UK, all they think on the pharmacoeconomics. We never thought on this. We are just promoting the generic drugs, but really, what is that pharmacoeconomics? And different accreditations we have to do in both the case. So this is the technocrat, pharma technocrat, and healthcare provider. These two chapters I written way back in 2004 in my book, Modern Dispensing Pharmacy, and I'm very happy to present here after 16 years, the same chapter I'm presenting at a national level through the DBATU activity. I'm going for first simple slide, that is the inability to enter into the pharmacy. Definitely, in initial days, pharmacy was considered as a drug chemistry, but now it is not remained as a drug chemistry. But it started with the drug chemistry in 1940, but now it is the physics, it is the nanotechnology, it is the biology, because finally we have to deliver drugs to that area. It is also mathematics. It is also mathematics. It is also process design, which is required for drug discovery, biostatistics, bioinformatics. As sir said, many points. We are covering all these points in the pharmacy. And additionally, if our pharmacist is ready to work or have a passion, like working as a management, working as economics, working as microbiologics, working as statistics, really we provide all this. We provide a platter. We provide a platter, not a single dish. We provide a platter to the students, and students have to develop themselves. So this is my line of this slide. So it is a Bachelor of Pharmacy. So if we see on this occasion, Pharmacy Day, we should respect our father of pharmacy education in India, the Professor M.L. Shroff. The whole idea behind the starting of Bachelor of Pharmacy is M.L. Shroff, who started BSc specialization, chemistry department, where the pharmaceutical chemistry was taken, and the BSc course was started in Banaras University in 1931, and then he started 1937 the first B.Pharm college. And now what we are, it is due to the vision of Dr. M.L. Shroff, Professor M.L. Shroff. We should respect him for the great contribution and the path he shown to us. So then, M.Pharm is started just to promote the R&D activities. Again, in the Banaras University, it is started in 1940, and initially it was just a research component, but now we have the many specialization like a chemistry, whether the synthesis, additive synthesis, the purity. In the pharmaceutical formulation we do, production we do, stability study we do. In a pharmacology, we do the drug interaction studies, drug safety studies, preclinical testing, clinical trials, pharmacology, herbal drugs, phytomedicines, its stability, because now in the corona, everybody is taking the phytomedicine herbal drugs, because this is the nature, and our cognitive people are working there. In a quality assurance technique, we are working on the validation, SOPs, documentation, compliance, which is the need of day, because now how you produce is more important than what you produced. Quality assurance is more important than the quality control. Sessional examination and internal examinations are more important than the final university examinations. And understanding is more important than just the completion of syllabus. So as many teachers are here, I'm saying that this is all part we cover in the quality assurance techniques. Drug regulatory affairs. So now we are not working for India, we are not working for Aurangabad, we are not working for Mumbai, but the global is our platform, where we should know the global regulations, domestic regulations, Schedule M, Schedule Y, what is the regulation of America, what is the regulation of Australia, each and everything. And in a pharmaceutical biotechnology, really we are doing wonders, and now we'll show any particular pharma biotechnology company will save our world through the anti-coronavirus. This is the gene and the virus technology we are studying under the pharmaceutical biotechnology. Definitely, our students also join MBA. Most of the students join MBA for business development, for marketing, for HR, administration and finance, and they are doing excellent there also.